So hello guys and welcome to another video. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button. Would love if you could join this crazy family where I'm just weird. So yeah, we are back with another makeup video. It's completely different to my last one. My last one was pretty funny. If you haven't seen it already, go and check it out. I turned myself into my old emo self. It was very nostalgic and it was also quite funny. So if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. I'll pop the link below. But yeah, so I'm here with this cute, fun, colourful springtime look. So I just thought I'd do a tutorial just showing you how I got this cute, it's adorable. I love this look. I tried it out once and immediately loved it. So I was just like, well, my sister, hello. you asked for this video, you wanted this video, so here is my face and I'm gonna show you how I did this. So for those of you who want like a cute look over the Easter, I say over the Easter weekend, I'm kind of filming this on the Friday of the Easter weekend, so you know, I need to get this sorted. So yeah, if you want a cute look for Easter or just for springtime, obviously I know we can't go anywhere at the moment, which kind of sucks, but you know, if you just want to look cute for taking the dog for a walk, then but maybe this will all be lifted in the summer and you can still use this look in the summer, but I'm just trying to stay hopeful. So here's a makeup tutorial for staying in your house. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then carry on watching the video. Hope you enjoy. So the first bit is done, the boring bit, so I've done my eyebrows. I'll just put some foundation on my eyelids just to create a base, so that's the first section just out of the way. So onto the actual eye look itself. I have got, the thing that I'm using for this look is this big multicoloured eyeshadow palette which has two layers. Let me show you. And then the second layer. The thing I'm going to start with is my yellow, which I'm going to use as a base sort of crease colour. So I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and dab it in this yellow, and then apply that as my base colour. Beautiful. Right, what I am going to use in the middle, I'm going to start, what I've decided to do is I'm starting with pink in the middle and then I'm going to do like a gradient, so going from pink to purple to like a sort of tealy blue colour, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my favourite donut palette that I've been using recently and I'm going to take this bright pink colour, not the one too dark, I'm just going to go with the bright pink one, take a small brush and I'm just going to go on the inside of the corner of my eye with this colour. As you can see, I have blended it with the yellow, so I don't want it to be too harsh of a transition, so I've tried to bring the pink up a little bit and blending it into the yellow. The next colour I'm going to be moving on to is the purple shade. So I've got a whole row of purple shades here. Obviously you can use whatever you want with this tutorial. This is just me showing you what I've got. So I'm going to go in with a sort of middle, not too dark, not too light, because otherwise you won't see it. So I'm just going to go like a sort of medium purple tone and blend it in with this purple. Blend it in with the purple, blend it in with this pink colour. Right, I'm going to take a little bit more pink and just try and blend it in with the purple a little bit more. But now I've done the pink and the purple, I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to dip it in. My favourite colour at the moment is, you can't see it very well, this sort of teal, it's like a glistening teal colour and it's really pretty. I love this colour. So I'm going to use that colour for the outside of my eye. I'm going to try and blend it into the purple. Because that's quite a bold colour, I'm going to try and blend out this purple a little bit more. So basically with each colour that I've put on, I then take the previous colour and try and blend it back out again. Does that make sense? So I'm going to take some of the purple and try and blend it back out again. So I'm going to take the yellow, now that I've done the 3 main colours that I wanted to do, I'm going to take the yellow and just try and neaten up some of these colours. Alright, so I'm happy with that. So what I am going to do now, this has actually gone better than my practice run, so yay! So what I am going to do, I'm going to take a makeup white, I'm going to use a bit of micellar water, and I'm going to now neaten up this line. Sorry about the face. So I just clear up the eyeshadow, and I like to create that neat line at the edge. But instead of using tape and doing my makeup first, I prefer to just use a makeup wipe. I do my face afterwards, so then all the eye makeup's done and there's no fallout onto your foundation, because I can't bother to use tape and everything. I just find that this way is personally easier for me. So if you guys aren't sure about doing eyeshadow and stuff, always do your eyeshadow first before the rest of your face, so if anything does fall out or you make mistakes, it's easier to repair than if you've already done a full face of makeup. That's my advice if you are experimenting with eyeshadow, like I still am because I'm not perfect. So for the underneath of my eye, I'm just gonna still use the pink from the inner corner, and I'm actually gonna blend it into the yellow. Now what I do use underneath the eye is a cotton bud, which I found these from Asda, and they've sort of got a big fat tip on one end, and then it's got a thinner tip on the other end, which I think is amazing. So that's really cool that they've done that, and it says on the box it's easier for makeup, which it is, it's amazing. So I'm going to use this thinner tip and I'm going to put that in the yellow, and then I'm going to just blend the pink into the yellow and just have an under eye yellow situation. So that's the colours done, so I'm just gonna again go in with my makeup wipe and just neaten up this bit underneath. This is where we then make sure there's no fallout on our face. I'm gonna go in now with a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create a normal cat eye wing. So I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama. I like this one because it has a thin tip, so I feel like drawing the line is a bit easier with this one. There we go, and I actually didn't muck it up first time, which is quite rare for me. I usually end up doing something. Right, so what I am going to do now is mascara, and I've been using Maybelline Falsies. It's just my favourite one to use at the moment. I just feel like it's a nice mascara and I like the brush for it as well. So I'm just going to do my mascara as normal. I'm going to change mascara for my lower lashes just because the shape of the brush, I prefer to use the Lash Sensational from Maybelline again. I just personally prefer the shape of the brush on this one. So as you can see, it's a nice curved brush, so I just prefer to use that one for the lower lash line. I just feel like it's easier, you know? I've only gone in lightly with the lower lashes because I don't want a really thick dramatic eyelash look. I just want them to look a bit feathery and just not too dramatic. Now if you want, obviously you can apply false lashes, but I've never been very good at it. I am awful at applying them, so I just stick with my eyelashes. But obviously if you want to, you can, that's up to you. I've done my eye makeup, so now I'm just going to apply my foundation and everything as normal, and then we're going to choose a lip colour, and yeah. So that's my makeup done as normal, and now the fun thing of going through this bag of lipsticks that I have. I really need to sort some of these out because I don't necessarily want all of them, you know? So in my... Apparently I'm deciding to throw them across the floor. Hang on, let me just pick those up. So I don't want anything too dark, I don't think, like anything dark pink. I kind of want to go with a pale pink, something, maybe a bit nude pink, because I don't want to go with a bright pink like this because I feel like it'll be a little bit too much. This is an MUA lipstick, so I'm going to go with this shade here. It did say MUA on it, but that's kind of come off now, so I'm just going to choose this cute shade. Weirdly, the things come off. It should have a silver thing on it, but for some reason it's come off this one. I have no idea why. But I'm just gonna pop the lipstick on. There we go, I think that's pretty cute. I just think it kind of goes with the eye look, and I think it looks really pretty. So this is the finished look.
Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want. Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want. Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want. Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the look. If you do like me kind of doing makeup videos, then give the video a thumbs up, because it's kind of like probably what I'll be doing a lot of while I'm in this lockdown, because I've just got ideas and lots of makeup to use, so you know. Hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, so hope you guys liked the look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.